Question 14. Joyce had some money. She bought a dress, a shirt, and a watch. She spent 1/5 of her money on the shirt. The shirt cost $24 less than the dress. The watch cost $102. She was left with a quarter of the amount of money she had at first. How much money did Joyce have at first? Okay, we can try to draw a model. Okay, this would be the total amount of money that she had at first. So since she spent 1/5 of her money on a shirt, I'm gonna cut this into 5 parts. Okay, 1/5 of her money on a shirt. Okay, the shirt cost $24 less than the dress, which means that if I were to draw the dress here, I do not know where is it gonna be. Maybe I can let's say this is the dress, and let's say this is the, let me make it a bit smaller. Let's say this part here is the watch. Okay, it means that the amount of money that she's left with will be a quarter of what she had at first. Okay, so this doesn't look like it is a quarter, and it is going to be very difficult to find what is a quarter of 5 units. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 5 units to become like a multiple of 4. So I'm gonna multiply everything by 4 units, 4 units. Okay, which means that the amount of money that Joyce had at first is 20 units, and the shirt is equals to 4 units. Okay, so I'm gonna write it in unit form now. Shirt is equals to 4 units. Okay, the shirt cost $24 less than the dress, which means that the dress will be 4 units plus 24. Okay, the watch is $102. And she is left with a quarter of the amount of money that she had at first. So if you know what is a quarter of 20 units, it's basically 5 units. Okay, so she's left with 5 units. So how much money did Joyce have at first? Okay, so we know that 20 unit minus away the 4 units, 4 units, and 5 units minus 4 unit minus 4 unit minus 5 units is equals to 7 units. Okay, so 7 units is equals to 102 plus 24. So we can find what is 1 unit, which is 18. Okay, and then we can find what is 20 units, because 20 units is how much money Joyce have at first. Okay, the answer is $360.